vintage, and we're going to take a Baume reading. We're going to monitor our ferment. So you can see Derek taking a sample here from the tank. It's Chardonnay fruit. We picked it about a week ago now, and it's been it was cold settled for about 3 days, and then it's been fermenting for another 3 days. So he's taken the sample out of the tank. You can see it's in the measuring cylinder. Now he's choosing a hydrometer to use. So this is going to measure the specific gravity in the wine, and that actually will give us a reading of the Baume. So you can see the hydrometer there is sort of balanced in the wine in that measuring cylinder. So if we go up, we can see it. It's pretty full. He's cleaned everything down, obviously, twice. So we give it a bit of a spin, and we can just make sure that there's no bubbles adhering to it. So now he's just topping it up, so it's super full. And then he bends down to read it, because you've got to obviously bounce it a bit about, like he's doing, so that there's no air bubbles adhering to it, so you get a true read. And then you read it from the top, so he can see where the meniscus is, and he's taking a reading off the hydrometer. It's got a scale on it, which will show you. The reason we do this is that we're monitoring the sugar level and also the alcohol of our part fermented wine. We're trying to get a long, slow, cool ferment. So we'll do this morning and night to each wine that we've got fermenting to see how it's changed over the day. If it's going too fast, we will reduce the temperature of the vat, so to slow that reaction down. If it's going too slowly, we'll just increase the temperature a little bit, so to speed the reaction up. And we're monitoring that reaction by looking at the sugar level and the alcohol. So as the sugar level goes down, the alcohol level will go up, because the reaction is the yeast plus the natural sugars in the grapes turn into alcohol and carbon dioxide.